Hey, hi again. Shane Thomas here with another review of Partner with Anthony program, what you're getting in with the program. So once we get up to session 7, what we're doing here, or what Anthony is doing here, is the sessions including a bunch of modules on basically your email list, how to set it up, and where to go with it from there. So what we're doing in session 7, module 1, is we're creating a new email list. This is where you need to have your autoresponder in line with you, whether you've picked GetResponse or Aweber or another one. Everything kind of refers to the same, but we mainly use GetResponse, and it's probably the most preferable at this time. The second module is connect your autoresponder with the ClickFunnels. So this is when you go into ClickFunnels, which hopefully you've already picked up your ClickFunnels account by now, whether it's the free trial. If you're in that stage right now, that's great. You're going to go into your ClickFunnels, and it's again, it's a step-by-step getting your API, which is your key to recognize. So ClickFunnels recognizes your autoresponder. So when someone responds and decides to enter the email address on ClickFunnels, then it goes to your autoresponder. Your email gets added to, or their email gets added to the list, and that's how you start building your email list. Then we go into the Partner with Anthony funnels here. You're going to be able to download and install the custom funnels at this point. These funnels will automatically go into your ClickFunnels account. Very, very straightforward, easy to do. It's just one click. As long as you have your ClickFunnels open on your web page, it'll automatically download right into it, and then you can see the funnel and go on from there. Now, syncing your email list, that's pretty straightforward. Um, this is all done within ClickFunnels and within your autoresponder, so you know as to what emails are going into which list that you've decided, whether it's a buyer's list or a prospects list, what product it is. You can designate all those as you go along. And again, once we get into this with the autoresponders, we're going to be connecting our autoresponder to our emails, or our emails that we want to send out. And this is where there's a little bit of a bug. Sometimes you can't just click enter. What you need to do is paste into the box. And if you run into that problem, there's this section here. Follow it very closely. It's important, and you'll get your connection set up. Conversion tracking, that's one of the BuildDirect's software. It tracks all where your links or clicks are coming from, whether you're running different ads at different locations. You can vary how much traffic goes to each ad, but also it'll tell you if, for instance, you get a click on ad A or ad B or ad C, it'll follow that, so you know which of your ads is producing with the most benefits for you. And that way you can get in there and do some tweaking, and find out if those are going to make any changes for you. Something that you definitely need to do. And this here is the tracking link. This is within Build Redirects. This is where you're going to get all that information. It's a great program. I see lots of benefits all the way through here. There's so many little steps that if you're trying this on your own, you're just not going to get there. You'd be months trying to figure out all these little ins and outs. And I tried previously on some of the stuff to get it, and it just didn't seem to want to um, be very easy to find all this sort of stuff here. So I want to get into session 8 now. We're email marketers mindset, and this is what basically what's being talked about here is um, you want to be sending out emails on a regular basis. You want to be engaging your list and sending out value and also opportunities to bring them into your ecosystem. And this is where we're going to come into the follow-ups. So once someone does click on and say, um, get onto your email list, this is where we do the follow-ups, broadcast emails, newsletters. Some of those are called that. Um, I believe Russell Brunson calls it the soap, or not soap, but the Seinfeld series of emails, because it's a story that just goes on and on and on. Here is a nice little thing, especially for people that aren't really into the copywriting process or haven't done a lot of emails. There's a bunch of done for you autoresponder messages. So when people do click in and say purchase or have looked at Partner with Anthony program or another program, you can use these messages to send out over a period of 7 days to let them know that these are the benefits that they're going to have, done by professional copywriters, so you don't have to worry about that. Just have to make maybe a couple little tweaks. Make sure you get your links in there, your profit center links you want in here. Traffic is the big one. How do we get traffic? There's so many different ways, and here's explained in this section about the different methods of traffic and what can be used and how that goes on. And followed up within traffic is a solo ads explained. Now, solo ads is basically where someone else has a huge email list, and for a fee, they will take your message and your link and put it out to their email list. That way, you could get subscribers from them. On average, most of the links that I've seen in ad solos run anywhere from, at the very lowest, 35 cents per click, up to, well, I can go fairly high, but on average, about 60 cents is about as high as I think a person would want to go per click. So if you're looking at an ad solo, you can pick up, say, a 40-cent click. So if you order 100 clicks, it's $40. And they usually, in most cases, I haven't seen any that haven't done it, is they actually over deliver, usually by 10%. So if you're getting 100 clicks, you're going to probably get 110 clicks. On average, what I've found so far is about 30% is the average that you're going to get. So if you get, you order 100 clicks and get 110 clicks, you're looking at anywhere around the 30 to 40 opt-ins, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, but it's usually around 30% of whatever you ordered. So that's one way to start building up your email list, and it's not really expensive. It's not something that you're going to want to jump into and go out and buy 500 clicks or 1,000 clicks right away. Try different subscribers. The one again within Partner with Anthony that is used quite often, and you can become an affiliate for that, is Udemy. There's lots of different solo ad providers on there that you can go through. And this is probably one of the most important part of all of this. I mean, everybody can learn how to build the funnels, how to, get the stuff out there, but it's getting the traffic. Traffic is the biggest thing that you're going to be fighting with to get to build that email list and to start making commissions and sales. Now, within Partner with Anthony program, this fast traffic source is right up here under the headline on your dash, up in the top here in your training area. And what that is basically it's the same traffic sources that Anthony uses. So you can go through here and you can see what different packages are available. I think some of their clicks are in around the 85-cent mark for their solo ads. But again, a lot of people have had some really good success using the fast traffic source. mainly because it's been vetted, so to speak, already by Anthony and his team. So you know that it's going out to a quality email list. These are people that are looking to try and get into some online marketing, email marketing of some sort, affiliate marketing, and so they're looking for it. So there's a good success rate with this as to get into that the marketing part. So in our next videos, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through 9 and 10, just give you a little bit, little more in depth of explanation of what you're going to be getting if you decide to go with the Partner with Anthony program. As I said earlier, it's a very good program, very easy to follow, step by step, something that doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this stuff out. But if you're trying to do all this stuff on your own, it is going to take you months and months and probably cost you a lot of dollars in the long run. So this is again, for $7 a month, you can't really go wrong with something like this. Just the training in itself, that's the big key, is the training that you're going to get. There's nothing out there in the market at all that gives you this kind of training at this kind of price, and with all the support, success connection, and everything else that Anthony follows up with as well for all his students. So very good. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notifications button to make sure you know when the upcoming videos are. And also, please leave me a comment or two. I do appreciate it. I like to see what people are thinking. And we shall definitely see you in the next video. In the meantime, take care, and we'll talk soon.